Russian President Vladimir Putin has said that all NATO capabilities are being used against Russia. Russia will fulfill its goals, increase its military capabilities. Addressing a meeting of the Russian Defense Ministry, President Putin said that our goal is to improve the military force. We will continue to improve the combat readiness of nuclear forces. He said that intercontinental missiles, Sarmat, will soon be deployed for combat purposes. Will equip their strategic forces with modern weapons. The Russian president added that there is no restriction on the financial support of the army. The army will give whatever it asks for. Our enemies aim to divide Russia. We tried to build brotherhood for many years but nothing worked. He said that good relations have not been established with Ukraine. What is happening today is a common tragedy. What is happening now is the result of the policy of third countries and not of our policy. President Putin said that I still consider Ukrainians as brothers. There are always tragedies and loss of human lives in war action. Russia has everything. We will not damage our economy. There is no doubt that we will achieve our goals, Putin said.